Okay, well, that was a lot of fun, but that's the decorating out of the way. Now let's do a look with the reindeer palette, and this is from the company called Odin's Eye, and these are the beautiful colours. 1 second. That's better. I didn't have my other lights on. I was like, it's a bit dark here. Let's put some lights on. Okay, so there's the palette again. Absolutely stunning. And these are the shades that you get. So pretty. So beautiful. That purple one's calling my name. Who am I kidding? They're all calling my name. But let's have a look at this and see what cute little Christmas look we can do with this one. Or just a look in general with the palette. Does it have to be for Christmas, does it? It could be for whenever you like. Okay, so first look, well, first colour I think we're going to go in. I think we're going to go into the reindeer one. How cute is that? It has like a little reindeer embossed. That's Odin's Eye logo. Snowflake. Snowflake. But again, I love the artwork as well. And you get like a little mirror. But I think I'm going to do reindeer. And then we're going to deepen it up with greetings. And then for shimmer, maybe candy canes. Or it could be wreath we go into. Or Christmas ham. I'm not sure at the moment. But that's they're the colours I think I'm going to reach for. Okay, I got my brush pad. Just clean off that end of that brush. I think it's clean, but I just always like giving them a little wipe. Okay, so let's go straight in with that colour. So I wanted to take the reindeer shade pretty much all over. Let's do it. Actually, let's do 2 looks. 2 looks, as I said, 2 looks, didn't I? So this side, for a base, I've just got my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on this one. On this eye, I've got my NYX Glitter Fix. I'm messing up the names. I'll link it down below. But I just wanted to see, that's why this eye looks like a different eye base to this one. The colour looks different anyway. I just wanted to see how it would apply. So that's really pretty. Nice shade. Get a bit more. What's that? Let's see if I can blend that out a bit more, because I want a nice load of that reindeer shade pretty much all over that top bit of my lid. Let's get some more. How many dips was that? Like 2 or 3? I'm having to build up a bit more. It's like a light colour. In the pan it looks like it's going to be darker. That's why then we're going to use that other shade, what is it, Greetings, to deepen up the outer corner. I've got a hair. Let's do it. Okay, so that will deepen it out the outer corner a little bit. But I need to pack that on also a bit more. See if we can build up a bit more. It's looking a bit nicer. I kind of want to deepen up a bit more in the crease. Just going to move it forward and back. How's that looking? A bit better. I kind of want reindeer to be a bit more like it is in the pan. I'm just really packing on a bit more. Maybe if I dab it more. It just looks more deeper in the pan, doesn't it? Than what I'm getting on my eye. Let's try and build it up more. Okay, this is as best as we're gonna get. I can't make that reindeer shade any deeper, which is a shame. I felt like before I could deepen it up, but it's not working. And then I'm taking more of that greeting shade, and we're basically just putting that along the lower lash line. Just dabbing it in, and then brushing any excess along, like so. That's looking good. And now for Sparkle Rooney, I think I'm gonna go in with Christmas Ham, which is that really nice white shade with sparkles in it. Let's do Christmas Ham. Feels nice, a little bit crumbly. I did just take a load though. I'm going to blow off what I can. I don't want it to put it to my face, but we can clean it up. And let's stick this bad boy on. But before I do, because this eye, I only did a bit of concealer. And I want this to stick. Wow, it looks like it's going to fall and flake. So let's just do a little dot with the NYX glitter primer. Let's just do that without putting this all over the floor. And we're just going to do a little squeeze. About that much. I got 2 dots again. It just came off like that. Like my other video, if you watched it, I tried to get 1 dot and it comes off with like 2. And I'm just tapping that basically where I want to stick the shiny colour, which is called, was it Christmas ham? Yep, Christmas ham. Do you eat Christmas ham? I don't actually eat ham. I don't actually eat pork. Right, here we go. And now, it's quite sticky, dry that down. And I'm gonna just push it on. It's very shiny. I feel like we will get some fallout. Let's just push it on. Very pretty. And yeah, I feel like I want to like smooth it out a bit. Do you know what I mean? Because it's like got that bittiness to it. But I feel like when I do, it's also looking, it's making my eyelids look more textured. Like I know I'm getting older on that, but I don't feel like they look, you know, I feel like it's making them look more textured than what they are. So I'm not sure yet about this. See if I can make it a bit better. Okay, I'm using this brush and you can see where I've got some of this sparkles have come off because I'm just trying to, like, where it looks a bit more textured, a bit more like clumpy looking. I don't know if I like it. Like, I don't think it looks that good on my eye. So I was just trying to like spread it out a bit better, even though I am getting some fallout. It is what it is. There you go. And then cleaning off that brush, my brush pad, and then I'm going to go back in with a little wipe. You can use a flannel. I used to have a flannel. Well, of course I've got flannels, but just not to hand right now. But yeah, would make more sense, more cost effective if you used a flannel. I've got like glitter in my eye. Yeah, this shade's very crumbly. It's a shade that I would be very more careful to use, but I know why I did that. It's because I went in with the brush and I was like trying to like, because I did it with my finger and it wasn't really working. But yeah, I'm not sure about the shade where I put it all over. I'm not sure. That's the Christmas ham one. But that's that at the moment. I think we're going to deepen up underneath again. I just remembered these shades as being a bit more deep. So I'm going to deepen up a bit more. But it's like a, you know, a lighter Christmas palette. There you go, that's better. Like that. Okay, I'm happy with that. In a corner. Now, I think I'm just going to take this matte shade. I'm going to take Cider. I think Cider could look nice. Or Holly. Cider is this one. Holly is this one. For the colours I've done, I feel like this would look good. And pop the inner corner a bit more without needing there to be any more glitter, because I feel like we've already got glitter. We're going to get more fallout later on, so let's not do more fallout. So I'm going to take a bit of the Cider, which is like a nice icy off-white, a nice light, like off like blue. And let's just put it in the corner if it wants to show up. It's going on reindeer palette. There we go. It's just me, I think. I did way too much in that in the corner. I don't want it to come. So let's just brush off the brush. There we go. And just make it a bit more. That looks better. Okay, we're going to do eyeliner, mascara at the end. Let's do this eye next. Okay, so this eye, what did I put? I put the NYX glitter primer on this eye. Let's do... I really don't know. Let's see if we can play about and do like I want to do like a brown and a purple look, but I'm not sure how we're going to get away with it and do it. Or I kind of want to do actually, nah, we're going to do brown, holly, and we're going to do this gold. We're literally going to go down and do a look of those three, like it's a little eyeshadow quad. Let's see how that looks. Can we make that look good? So let's just go over the lid, cleaning off my brush. So we're going to go pretty much all over. A little bit of a kick up in the pan, all over the lid with holly. And it's like that really nice, I thought it was more purple base, it's not, it's more like a blue base, isn't it? It's like a grey. It's a nice grey though. So let's just put that all over the lid. And that's applied really nicely straight away. But I did really dig my brush in. It's gone really powdery, like I need a blow. But that already was just 2 decent dips in the pan. And that's really deep already. I want that though. I want to go quite deep already, and then I'm going to shear it out near the edge. And then just bring that down a bit more. That's a nice shade. And that's applied really nicely. Okay, switching brushes over with my shady brush. And now I'm going to go in with the brown shade, which I showed you, which is called Snow Wish, which is just a nice brown. And I want the brown to be here. And a little bit underneath. Sorry. And a little bit underneath. Like that. And I'm going in again with the brown. Got eyelash coming. Just patting that brown bit on. And then coming up here. Just patting, rubbing and patting that brown bit. Making it meet into that grey bit. Just like that. I think we're good. And now for a shimmer shade, I'm going to go in with Christmas Stocking, which you can use a setting spray, bit of water. I'm just using the dampness of my wet wipe I've got here on my middle finger until it's like sort of tacky, and then I go in. Don't want to go into the eyeshadow pans with a really wet finger because it's just going to ruin your eyeshadows. It looks really nice. This one looks a lot more smoother than the Christmas ham we used. I don't feel like I even need to like blow off any excess. So we're just going to go straight in. And this time I'm not going to apply anything else because I've already got my NYX glitter primer. I put it all over my lid. I don't feel like I need to do more. I could do more, but right now I'm just going to see how it works. On here. Already I feel like I like this look more. Like I like both looks, but I think I'm more drawn to this one because I'm just not sure about that Christmas ham shade. And this already would make a really nice, really simple party look. Work on your black dress or whatever dress you're gonna wear. It's really nice. I think also these shades would flatter all the eye colours. I think they look really good. Your blue eyes, your green eyes, your brown. I like that. I like the gold against the like bluey grey we did. Looks really cool. I like that. Okay, bit of fallout. I'm just gonna clean up. That was those 3 shades though we just used. Yeah, I like that. And I don't think I've used that like as a combination before. So I'm happy with that. Both quite different looks though that you can obviously get with this Hey Reindeer palette. So yeah, and you could do inner corner. Inner corner, I mean, you could use Slay. Let's do Slay actually. Slay is at the top. So this one we just used all over the lid. It's more like a deeper gold. And then Slay is more like, almost looks like it's got a tinge of yellow. It looks like a lighter one. Again, I'm just gonna wet my, actually no I'm not, I'm going into the inner corner eye. So I'm gonna take my Lush eye. This does actually really good. I like this stuff, but just be careful with it because it does have like alcohol in it. So be careful where you're gonna put it near your eye. I literally just take a little tiny bit like that. And then close my eye. I can feel it because it's like wet. And I just dab it like where I want it, but I then keep my eyes shut. Let it do its thing just for a minute. Sometimes it's not like a stinging, but you can just feel like the alcohol near the eye, and I'm like, ah. Try not to hit yourself in the face. And then I'm going in with Slay, this one. Brush is slightly damp, but not really, really damp. Got a little bit. Now I'm just gonna stick it, hopefully. Just to give this inner corner a bit more sparkleroony. And I believe it has. There we go. There's that sparkle. Again though, you didn't have to like do the sparkle in the corner. If it's too much glitter for your liking, you could just leave it. Or do a lighter matte colour shade. Or not. I was just showing you what, you know, what it looks like with this one. Using the shades that we could. See what I mean about the kick up in the pan? There's the Holly. That's the kick up in the pan that I got. And I was going to blow it away. And now it's fine. So this eye we used 1, 2, 3, 4 of the shades. And then this eye, which I use 1, 2, 3. Oh, and 4. So both eyes have 4 different shades going on. And then with eyeliner, I think this one, I'm gonna just clean up under the eye and then probably do a dark eyeliner. Then this one, probably a nude. Let's have a look. Okay, so this is the finished look. My favourite one is this one. Let me know down in the comments what one's your favourite. As you know by watching, I sort of struggled with the Christmas Hammer shade. I'm not sure about it. Gonna get some fallout with the gold shade, but it is beautiful. I do like it. I really like it finishing off the dark eyeliner on this side. This side we did a lighter eyeliner, but change it up however you want. So Christmas stocking is the gold shade we've got going on. And I think for Christmas stocking, you'll probably need to go again on top with setting spray, or I might have gone next time if I do this look again and go on top again with some more of the NYX Glitter Primer. Just up here, or the Urban Decay, is it the Potion Primer? It's meant to be quite good. Actually, I haven't tried that one, but I've heard really good things about that one. So that one might be better to keep this lovely glittery shade in place. But again, only a little bit of fallout. But again, if you're wearing it out on a night out, you might get some more fallout throughout the night, which you don't really want, do you? You don't want to be walking around with glitter over your face. So yeah, but I do love these looks. I think they look really nice. Again, this one I think is my favourite. Yeah, and this is the reindeer palette. And I will do some more looks. And if you're into makeup and makeup tutorials especially, because I do a lot of those on my channel, please subscribe before you leave and give me a big fat juicy thumbs up. And I'll see you all, lovely lot, in my next video. Take care guys and stay warm out there. It's getting cold.